How to find blocked people on Facebook. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily find blocked people on your Facebook app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open up your Facebook app. Then once you're in your Facebook, tap on your menu in the top right corner here. Then scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy. Then in Settings and Privacy, tap on Settings. Now here in Settings, tap on Profile Settings. In Profile Settings, in Privacy, you will see here Blocking. Tap on it. And here you will see all the people you have blocked. So if you want to block more people, you can simply tap on Add to Blocked List. Then here search for their name or an email. After you have searched, you can tap on block in the right side of their profile name. Then again tap on block, and if you tap on block, this person will no longer be able to see your post, tag you, invite you to the events or groups, message you, and add you as a friend. So tap on block. Now that person is added to the block list. Now if you want to unblock someone, you can tap on unblock here besides their name. And remember that you will have to wait for 48 hours if you want to block this person again. So tap on unblock and that person is unblocked. So this is how you can find blocked people on Facebook. Thanks for watching.